Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Albert, a software engineer specializing in backend. I use Java for my backend applications and tasks. And today I will be guiding you through Spring Boot. Let's dive in and make it clear and easy as possible. What is Spring Boot? Spring Boot is a framework designed to simplify the development of Java applications by removing the need for extensive configuration. So you don't need to go into your XML file and write some XML code to do your configuration. Spring Boot usually does that for you. It is built on top of Spring Framework. It enables developers to quickly build robust production-ready application by focusing on convention over configuration. So you just you just do the business logic instead of having to do too much configuration. With the Spring Boot, there is no XML configuration. Annotations and embedded defaults do the work. It is ideal for microservices, which are independently deployable components of large application. Basically, a microservices is a design pattern whereby you break down large application into smaller services which are independent of each other. So that means that those services are independently developed, independently deployed, and independently tested. So meaning if one service fails, it will not have any impact. It will not have any direct impact on the other services. Embedded servers like Tomcat allow Spring Boot application to run independently without external server. Actually, with the help of embedded servers, this makes Spring Boot a standalone application. Why use Spring Boot? Rapid development. Spring Boot auto-configuration and built-in functionalities enables developer to start and run applications quickly. Microservice friendly. It supports building and scaling microservice efficiently. Integration with Spring ecosystem. Spring Boot works seamlessly with other Spring projects like Spring Data, Spring Security, and Spring Cloud, making it easier to add database support, security, and cloud features. Key features of Spring Boot, we have auto configuration, automatically configures component based on dependencies present in project, reducing the need for manual configuration. Starter dependencies, predefined dependency packages like Spring Boot Starter Web for web application, bundles everything needed for a specific purpose. When we shall start doing things practically, I will show you all this, what we mean by starters, what we mean by auto configurations, and so on. The other key feature is embedded server. Spring Boot applications are shipped with embedded servers like Tomcat, and these allow application to run as a standalone. Spring Boot also have production-ready feature called Actuator, which provide endpoints for monitoring. So what do you monitor? You monitor things like CPU usage, you monitor things like memory usage, you monitor things like application health. So and this allow developers to check application health and performance. You know, application health is very critical. It is very critical because this will help us to know how well is your application performing, how much CPU is your application consuming, how much memory is your application using. So thank you so much for uh, listening to me. In the next video, we shall talk about Spring Boot annotations. Thank you. Uh, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. Thank you.